Hello guys, this is Vidya from final year of CSC department and my registration number URK 17 CS100. Today we are going to discuss about the compiling from the source in Open Source Technologies Lab. Our aim is to study and implement the compiling from the source. So here I have given the description of the few commands, that is star command. We have options like -c, -x, f, t, u, v, capital A, z, J, capital W and R. And also here I am giving the description about zip command. Actually zip is a compression and file packaging utility for Unix. As we all know, we use zip command very frequently. Each file is stored in a single zip file with the extension .zip. So here this is a brief description and then the syntax is given here. So for syntax for creating a zip file is, we need to say zip my file, the name file my file dot zip file name dot text. We have various options here also like -d, u, m, r, x and v. So this is the gzip commands and all this. So I have given in detailed description of all this stuff. So firstly, our main question is to compile the source from OpenTTD package. For that I am installing the OpenTTD package using Debian package. So here you can see I have installed the OpenTTD normally, and then I am giving the command as sudo apt install OpenTTD, the version, and then the Linux Ubuntu, the version totally. I have downloaded the OpenTTD in Bionic format, so I have given Bionic and then AM64 Debian. So after getting that, the page will pop up like this, like OpenTTD is installed. This is the page and I have given the screenshot of it. And now secondly, we have to compile the source from JFrog package. So here I am installing the Conan package using Debian package. For that I am giving the command as sudo apt install /Conan, where the version I have downloaded, and then I am done. So this is setting up is done. So Conan is also installed. Now I am creating a sample package. For that I am creating a separate directory called my library, that is mylib, and then I am saying Conan new mylib, version is 0.1. So file saved conan file.py. In that I am creating the source. I am creating a source file in which I am creating all the mylib.h, cpp files and text files. And then I am going to give the making up the package. Firstly we need to make the package. So I am giving the command as cmake space .src. So we'll get it like this. We have build files have been written to my home directory. And now build package output. To get the output I am just going to the build mkdir and then you can see here make. See a new Conan file version was exported. Now we are compiling the source from GCC. We are checking the version of GCC. For that I am giving GCC --version. We'll get the version actually. My version is GCC Ubuntu 7.5023 Ubuntu 18.4 7.5.0. And then here as we are compiling it, we need a program. I have given the sample program as this with printf statement. I am just compiling it with gcc code.c. This is my name. I mean the file name, and then /a.out, we all know it, and then I am getting the output as such. Now the final thing is compile the source from any open source package using AppImage. I am installing the open source package Ganachi using AppImage. I have installed it and then I have given the command as sudo chmod a+x Ganachi version and the Linux version .appimage. So now I am getting it, checking for update generated, and it is compiled from an open source. We have got an image like this. So the compiling from the source is studied and executed. I hope you guys understood it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.